Do you want to start a business in the marine industry? Whether you're a marine engineer or simply passionate about the ocean, the marine industry is filled with untapped business opportunities waiting for you. In this video, I'll share 20 innovative and profitable marine business ideas that can help you turn your expertise into a thriving business. Number 1. Boat maintenance and repair services. Offer specialized repair and maintenance for private yachts, fishing boats, and commercial vessels. Number 2. Marine consulting services. Provide expert advice on ship design, maintenance planning, and marine safety regulations. Number 3. Underwater drone services. Use drones for underwater inspections, environmental monitoring, or filming. Number 4. Maritime Training Academy. Start a training institute for aspiring marine engineers and ship crew members. Number 5. Boat and ship design services. Create custom designs for commercial and recreational boats using your engineering expertise. Number 6. Eco-friendly marine products. Develop and sell environmentally safe products like biodegradable cleaning agents or sustainable boat materials. Number 7. Marine tourism business. Offer services like guided boat tours, scuba diving excursions, or luxury yacht rentals. Number 8. Marine equipment rental. Rent out equipment like diving gear, fishing tools, or navigation systems. Number 9. Ship recycling business. Specialize in dismantling old ships and salvaging usable materials. Number 7. Marine renewable energy solutions. Develop or sell equipment for offshore wind farms, tidal energy systems, or solar-powered boats. Number 11. Marine technology development. Create software solutions for navigation, weather tracking, or vessel management. Number 12. Fishing equipment manufacturing. Design and produce fishing nets, traps, and other tools for commercial fisheries. Number 13. Harbor and dock management services. Provide solutions for better management of ports, including logistics and safety systems. Number 14. Ship chartering services. Help businesses or individuals lease ships for cargo transport or private events. Number 15. Marine inspection and survey services. Offer inspections for ship certifications, cargo handling, or port facilities. Number 16. Ocean cleanup services. Create a business focused on cleaning and managing ocean debris. Number 17. Marine parts manufacturing. Manufacture essential marine parts like propellers, valves, and engine components. Number 18. Hydrographic survey services. Use specialized equipment to map underwater services for navigation and construction. Number 19. Offshore logistics support. Provide logistical support for offshore oil rigs or renewable energy installations. And number 20. Marine safety equipment business. Sell safety products like life jackets, fire extinguishers, and emergency beacons. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel to get more business ideas.